free will attempt to get me out of here. And I meditate to mediate the hatred that I navigate daily. And I levitate out of this planet I have tried so hard to heal. I just dance and shake like the earthquakes that evict me from where I reside. And even though I'm a love child, the music that I make won't be mild. And I scream loud at protests. No, it's not a contest, but I'm hoping that together we'll get listened to. Listen to me and to the words that I say. I got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay. The sky precipitates the truth that we seem to be immune to. The Earth's rotations cause my palpitations to accelerate. Time, please accelerate. And even though I want to skim through the next 4 years, I refuse to live my lovely life in absolute fear. And how many numbers have we dialed? Yet the efforts that we've made are worthwhile. I still scream loud at protests, and no, it's not a contest, but I'm hoping that together we'll get listened to. Listen to me and to the words that I say. I've got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay. Listen to me and to the words that I say. I've got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay. And I advocate for people without homes, convocate the people that I know to help me help humanity grow. I cry for visas that have been rejected, citizenship's been neglected too. People who've been here much longer than you, so listen to me and to the words that I say. I've got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay. Listen to me and to the words that I say. I've got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay. What you're doing is not okay.
I've got a reason to stay. What you're doing is not okay.